Your school's maintenance staff tackles countless tasks daily, many unseen, but all essential. Here are some key areas in any school where state helps make maintenance easier. In places like kitchens, there's no time to waste. Grease Be Gone and Primezyme deliver targeted drain maintenance in kitchen drains or grease traps, breaking down fats and organic buildup. Meanwhile, Destroy neutralizes tough odors and deep cleans carpets and entry mats, keeping your spaces fresh and welcoming. Whether you need a ready-to-use aerosol disinfectant like Quick Defense for high-traffic spots such as classroom desks, door handles, and switches, or a dilution system like One Solution to economically handle general disinfecting, floor care, and glass cleaning, State's got you covered. Floors in cafeterias, gyms, and hallways endure heavy foot traffic. Ecolution Neutral Floor Cleaner maintains shine and hygiene, while F222 heavy-duty degreaser tackles tough spills and adhesive residues no ordinary cleaner can handle. Bathrooms and locker rooms can be battle zones, from sinks and tiles to toilets and urinals. Gentle Fresh Soap provides quick and thorough hand washing, while A-Salt quickly dissolves scale and buildup in urinals, ensuring clean, odor-free fixtures. And when you need serious cleaning without harsh acids, Shark tackles tough restroom stains safely and effectively. Lastly, a Fragrance Cube 2.6 can provide odor elimination and a pleasant scent in any school's restroom. With State Industrial products, cleanliness isn't a promise. It's proof, visible in every corner of your school.